a nice little beach. And we can say that we visited the iguanas.
Yeah.
I think they're here and on a couple of the keys because they do swim. I think.
Thanks.
Maybe not these ones. They have to have swum. How'd they get here?
Project.
I know that you're curious, I know that you're strong, but life can be furious and things can go wrong. You go, we're better off tomorrow, but who knows,
Okay, what's our mission?
if we get joy or sorrow.
Get as much food for as little as
Possible. Alright. Well, at least we have a lot to choose from. It's just not the cheapest store, so.
Yeah, we know we're getting just enough.
We got back to the dock here, which is technically not a dinghy dock. It's just being used by everybody because there's nowhere to go. And they locked the gate on us today. But the owner of this gas station found it in his heart to open it up for us, so that was nice. And we got just what we needed and paid way too much for it. It's so nice right now to be able to have the boat all organized my way. Cody's actually grilling hot dogs on the back porch right now. So,
Living life.
well, we just did our first man overboard.
Alfred went overboard.
We didn't really want to go sailing today, but then the marina was annoying and we didn't really want to
be out into it for like, I don't know.
Well, so why are we going, you ask? Well, we went because we don't like Nassau. We're gonna go down to the Exumas, try to get to an island. We just had to beat into it a little bit before we head south. And I'm getting some work done. So yeah, good thing we caught Alfred, or that you saw him.
And hopefully it stays east long enough to where we can keep running this.
Not a comfy ride. We knew this, but we still went. Kind of regret it.
I have a song stuck in my head.
Which one?
What's his name? Emmett?
Emmett. Emmett. Sing it.
Hold on. There's no other island that keep you smiling like a Lucha. Like a Lucha. I just want to get there for the wind won't shift.
Okay, I want eggs and toast and cheese and all kinds of good stuff.
Well, that's all we serve here. Okay, and then what are we doing?
There is an iguana beach over here. Gotta say, I don't really like iguanas. So this is where we wanted to go. This is where the iguanas live. And for a second there, we thought it was pulling anchor. There's really only room for one boat in there. Testing my mask.
This is the dumbest mask I've ever seen in my life.
Mask in the world.
I'm Scuba Steve.
Hey, go check the anchor now.
Scuba Steve.
guy is a monster. I didn't know they got that big.
They're like little blind dinosaurs. Hey, don't eat the camera. Whoa. It's all wrong. Grant had no chance with that one. Look at the little guy. Just go feed the little one. So, Iguana Beach. I don't know if this is actually Iguana Beach. We're on Southwest Allen Key. Hey, we got the little one finally. It's a nice little beach. And we can say that we visited the iguanas.
Yeah.
I think they're here and on a couple of the keys because they do swim. I think.
Thanks.
Maybe not these ones. They have to have swum. How'd they get here?
Lodging.
We'll dance all night till the break of dawn. Come on now, let your feelings show. Oh baby. We'll dance all night till the break of dawn. Come on now, let your feelings show. Oh baby. We'll dance all night till the break of dawn.
Hello, honey.
Hi.
Hi.
What?
You want to make dinner?
Well, I am making one dinner.
Yeah, but I've been out foraging for food for like
What?
20 minutes.
What'd you get? Did you get anything?
Yeah, we'll see. All right. It is time to do some Cuda skiing. It's a new Bohemian sport that I've created. He's been watching me all day trying to steal my fish while I've been spearfishing. And now it's time to get him. That'll hold. Hopefully I don't get a shark. See if I can see him come up to the top here. Oh, no, he got it. How did he get it so quick? Dadgummit. I can see him. He's looking at it. Here he comes. Got it. No. Oh, Cuda skiing 101. Cuda skiing. Go, go, go. You took me for a little ride. All right. Cuda skiing round 2.
So, Cody is testing out his Christmas present from me. Oh, hello there.
I'm just in my yacht's cinema.
Oh,
Well, Santa Claus brought me a gift.
tiny projector. This is the first try, and the next, outside cinema.
On the sails, but it's a little too windy. Close, leave me.
Oh, bye-bye now. So we're gonna go out and try to check out this reef.
Octopus Rock.
That's not that one.
No, they're not at Octopus Rock.
We're in Highbourne Key
North.
right now, so on the north side, and we're gonna try to do a little snorkeling.